5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Watch me. Level up, 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 level up. All this on me so yummy, all this sauce so yummy. No, you want this yummy, yummy all in your tongue.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, hi, my name is Destiny, and if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below to see more videos from myself. Today's video, I don't know what I'm gonna call this look. It's gonna be obviously in the title of this video, so whatever you clicked is the name of this look. But yeah, I love this look. I love the glitter. I got new glitters that I'm going to do a swatch and review on, so stay tuned to that. But I did use one of the glitters I recently received to create this look. Alrighty guys, so if you would like to see how I achieve this look, continue to watch. Say bye!